Hi, my name is Coulter Wilson, and I'm the host of Homebrewing DIY. The reason I'm making this video is really to talk to you about my new Patreon page. Why should you support the show on Patreon? Well, it helps us keep the show online. I'd like to make this show, I'd like to keep making this show, and this show takes a lot of time and effort, and having monthly supporters is going to help me keep the show online. Now, you can totally listen to the show, give us reviews on whatever type of service that you use. That's going to help support the show. But without anyone giving us any type of monthly support, it's really, really difficult to justify the time and effort to make this show. That being said, we do have some really great offers if you do decide to give to us monthly. First of all, if you give to us just at any amount monthly, so $1 a month, you're going to be able to have access to ad-free shows and a special RSS feed with bonus episodes, and that's just giving to us at any amount. Also, if you give to us at any amount, I'll throw in a free Homebrewing DIY sticker. Last, if you give to us at the $5 or above level, I'm going to then give you access to that custom stream once again, that custom RSS feed, and then we're also going to give you access to a handwritten thank you note sent to you by me, and then last, a nice little thank you gift, little piece of brewing hardware that I would love to send you and help you with your brew day. So that's at the $5 level. If you give it the $20 level or above, you're going to get what's included in 1 and 2 that I just listed off. And then you're also going to get a biannually thank you gift brew bag that I will personally send to you twice a year. So there's that. And then last, if you want to give at a $100 a month level or above, kind of gearing this more towards if you are a business or some sort of type of like a homebrew shop or a brewery or something like that, then I will also give you a $200 level of ad buys on the show and the website. So lots of cool stuff for being part of the support team. Also, on the Patreon page, you're going to get info and connections with the show that nobody else is going to get. And also, this is just the beginning. There's going to be tons more things we're going to be throwing at patrons. So please give to the show at any level. And thanks, and have a great day.